everyone, welcome back. I hope you're all doing well and having a lovely day. Today I have a toy unboxing video for you. Fisher-Price are very kindly sponsoring today's video, and I wanted to introduce you to two amazing looking toys. I'm literally so excited to get these out and show them to Elliot. They are the Fisher-Price Smart Learning Home and the Fisher-Price 3-in-1 Smart Car. These two toys actually interact together. You can call from the car phone and it rings the house phone. So what I thought I would do is unbox them and show you how they go together, because I know that is a big deal when you're getting a big kind of main present for your child. And then I'm going to bring him in and surprise him with them and kind of see what he thinks and tell you some of the main features of the products. He's obviously an extremely lucky boy getting to play with these toys today. I think they would personally make amazing Christmas presents, birthday presents if you have some coming up around this time of year as well. So without further ado, I'm going to get straight into it. Let's open the first box. I think I'm going to go for the big one first of all. So I've just seen on the instructions there's something that you can do with your phone. You can scan it, watch it, and it will teach you sort of how to build it, which I'm quite a visual learner, so I think that's quite good for me, and I'm gonna try and use that to build the house. It also comes with these screws, so obviously I am going to need a screwdriver. So we've been big fans of Fisher-Price toys ever since our first little boy Archie was born, because their toys are always bright, fun and engaging, and they just let kids be kids really, whilst learning and developing their imagination. And I also find it's really reassuring to know that your child is playing with a toy that's also helping them grow and learn. So once you've gone to the effort of putting it all together, you can actually sit back with a cup of tea and just watch them play, and you actually get 5 minutes to sit down too, so everyone's a winner. As you can see, it's all built, but it's actually quite late now, and I've had to build it around the school run and doing other little bits and pieces, so I haven't had like just a full sort of hour or so to build it. So what I'm going to do is go and hide this in the office, because I want to catch his first reaction to it on camera, and then I'm going to show him this and the car tomorrow, so you'll see that in a second. Made. They were both pretty easy to make. The house obviously took quite a bit longer than the car, and just a few things to note: both of them need to be put together with screws, as you obviously just saw, and the house needs those large, I think they're C batteries, whereas the car comes with the batteries already in. So just a few things to note, but I think generally when you buy a sort of main present gift, you expect there to be a bit of assembly, but as far as toys go, they were both pretty easy to put together. So I'm going to go and get him now, put them both in his room and surprise him and see what he thinks. Hello.
I'm so excited, fell over.
What's this? Wow. Oh, he's straight in. He's straight in there. Hello. Wow, what have you got? A new house? Elliot? Is this your house?
I think it might be a hit, that one. Oh, where's he gone?
Where's he gone?
You play peekaboo.
Hello. The Smart Learning Home is for children 9 to 36 months, and it has one of my favourite features from Fisher-Price, and that's the Smart Stages buttons. Each stage teaches numbers, shapes, music, weather and more, and as your child grows you can adapt the stage to suit them. He's moved out, he's got a house and a car, he's leaving us. Another thing I really love about these toys is that both of them interact with each other. So you can actually call the house from the hands-free car phone and it will ring inside the house, which I think is so cool.
Calling home. Welcome home.
It also has a range of over 15 role play activities and eco-friendly elements such as a solar panel, and there's also a little block that you can role play charging your electric car, which I think is brilliant to introduce kids to at such a young age. The 3-in-1 smart car is again great for children 9 to 36 months. It can firstly be used as a walker as your baby's getting a bit more steady on their feet, then as a fun bouncer, which is what Elliot really loves at the moment because he is 17 months, and then as they get more confident, a ride-along car as well. It also has the Smart Stages technology and comes with lots of fun songs, lights, and introduces kids to the alphabet, counting, shapes, and even French words. So there we go, that's my review of the Fisher-Price Smart Learning Home and the 3-in-1 Smart Car. They're definitely a hit with Elliot. I think he's going to enjoy playing with these so much for the months and years to come. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this review. I'll put any details about the products and some links where you can find out even more in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much to Fisher-Price for sponsoring this video, and I'll be back with a new video very soon. Bye guys!